In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote in Google Docs. Quoting can be particularly useful when you are writing academic papers, articles, or any document where you need to cite a source directly. It helps in lending credibility to your document and ensures that the reader knows exactly which parts have been borrowed from different sources. Let's start with the basics, accessing your Google Docs. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Google Drive. This is where all your online documents are stored. To do this, simply sign in to your account. You'll be prompted to type in your email and password. Once you've entered this information, click Next to proceed. Keep in mind the importance of entering your correct credentials to avoid any sign-in issues. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to locate your document in Google Drive. If you've recently worked on it, it should appear right at the top of your My Drive folder or in the recent section. Otherwise, you might need to search for it by name in the search bar. Once you've found your document, click on it to open. After your document is open, find the text you want to quote. To make this process seamless, Google Docs allows you to double-click on words or phrases to highlight them quickly. This feature is convenient for selecting the exact segment of text you want to quote without having to drag across it with your mouse or trackpad. Now it's time to style our quote. To set it apart from the rest of your text, you'll want to increase its indent. You can do this by locating the Increase Indent button in the toolbar. Clicking this once will move your selected text further to the right, making it distinct from the rest of your paragraph or body text. But we're not done just yet. To add a touch more emphasis, click on the italic button in the toolbar. This will give your quoted text a slightly slanted appearance, which is a universally recognized way of denoting direct quotations or emphasized passages. The final touch to properly quoting is to add quotation marks at both the beginning and the end of your selected text. This is crucial as it indicates to the reader that the enclosed text is a direct quote from another source or is particularly important. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can effectively and beautifully quote text in Google Docs, leading to cleaner, clearer, and more professional-looking documents. Remember, quoting is not just about aesthetics, it's also about giving credit where credit is due and enhancing the overall credibility of your document. Thanks for watching, and make sure to apply these tips in your next Google Docs project.